White swans are large birds belonging to the swan family, known for their beauty and grace. They have elongated necks, long legs, and a powerful beak. The only species of white swans that inhabit Eurasia and can be found in Russia is the mute swan. Description of the mute swan. Size. The body length ranges from 1.5–1.7 meters with a wingspan of 2.3–2.5 meters. Adult individuals weigh between 8–15 kg. Plumage. The mute swan has white feathers, with the neck slightly lighter than the body. The wings are also white, with grayish tips on the feathers. The beak and legs are orange in color. Habitat. Mute swans are often found in freshwater bodies, such as rivers, lakes, and marshes. They are less commonly seen on the seacoast. They prefer slow-moving waters rich in vegetation. Behavior. White swans are highly social birds, usually living in pairs or small groups. They may have lifelong partners. Mute swans are known for their elegant and smooth movements, particularly on water. Diet. White swans primarily feed on plant matter. They graze on green meadows and consume various plants such as grasses, leaves, and roots. They can also feed from the water, submerging their long necks. Reproduction. Mute swans breed in the spring and summer months. They build nests on the water's edge or on floating platforms made of plant material. They often remain faithful to their partners for life. The female typically lays around 3–7 eggs, which she incubates for about 35–40 days. White swans are symbols of beauty and elegance. Their soft and melodious calls resemble a song. Along with their aristocratic appearance, these swans captivate any observer with their graceful tranquility.